We're going to take a look at word problem episode H. So as always, I'm going to read it and highlight important information. Harvey wants to buy a gift for his father that costs $35.92 and a gift for his sister that costs $52.08. He has saved $16.28. How much more does he need to save in order to buy the gift? So what I'm going to do is highlight in one color how much he needs to have saved total, so how much he's going to spend on the gift for his father, which is $35.92, and the gift for his sister, which is $52.08. In another color, I'm going to highlight how much he's already saved, which is $16.28. And as always, I'm going to underline the question I'm actually answering. How much more does he need to save in order to buy the gifts? What I'm going to do now is figure out how much he's going to need to have saved total to afford both gifts. So to buy both, it's going to be $35. Whoa, sorry, that's way too big. That's probably fine. It's going to be $35.92 for his dad's gift and $52.08 for his sister's gifts. So I'm going to add them up. 8 plus 2 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8, and 5 plus 3 is 8. You're always just going to drop that decimal straight down. So I know total, he's going to need $88. So far we know how much he has saved is $16.28. So we need to find the difference between what he needs and what he has. So we're going to be finding the difference between 88 and $16.28. To find a difference, I know I'm always going to subtract. So I'm going to do $88.00 minus $16.28. Because if he needs $88 total, he already has 16 of them. He just needs to figure out how much this part of the bar is going to be worth. So I can't do 0 minus 8, so I'm going to need to borrow. So I can't borrow from the spot right next door. So I'm going to borrow from next to that. I'm going to turn the 8 into a 7, 0 into 10. Now I can borrow next door, turn that 10 into a 9, and do 10 minus 8, which is 2, and then 9 minus 2, which is 7. It's really important to keep that decimal lined up. 7 minus 6 is 1, and 8 minus 1 is 7. So I know Harvey is going to need to save $71.72 more. So I'm going to write that in an answer statement or an answer sentence. So Harvey needs $71.72 more. Ended with a period. Hope that makes sense.